So when I left the Marines, I got out without any clue of what I was going to do with life. Just kind of flip-flopped around for a while until I was offered this opportunity at C&L Supreme. I quickly fell in love with the idea of what manufacturing was and what was going on in the shop. So I did the work I had to do to show the company that I was worthy of them putting time and effort into me. And they gave me the opportunity to come here to TMA and get an apprenticeship through them with classroom instruction, hands-on instruction. Put both those together, I've been able to have a substantial career where I'm now able to take care of a family. I have nothing but growth ahead of me. The opportunities are going to be limitless. And I would say for anyone that's unsure of whether or not it's a career that they would want to look into, give me a call. I'm JR at C&L Supreme. You can come hang out at the shop, see what it is that I do, and you could start getting a feel for if you'd like it or not.